Today, we're unboxing a crunchy chewable nugget ice maker that makes those soft, chewable ice cubes everyone loves. Let's take a look inside the box. Right on top, we have the troubleshooting tips and the use and care manual, always a good idea to keep handy for setup and maintenance. Carefully removing the box, we find the ice maker itself, securely wrapped to prevent scratches during shipping. Let's remove the exterior packaging, including the protective tape. On top of the machine, there's a yellow instruction sheet that explains the weekly cleaning procedure, sounds caused by mineral deposits, continuous fan operation, and other normal operating sounds. Inside the ice basket, there's another yellow sheet showing the steps for removing the top cover to release the power cord. You'll also find the ice scoop neatly placed inside. Now, let's remove the protective wrapping from the power cord. The cord is secured with a cable tie, so we'll need to cut that off. To release the power cord completely, remove the top cover. Bring the cord out and feed it outside the unit. It's also important to note the location of the drain, which is found at the bottom of the machine and covered by a white drain cap. First cleaning, before use. As recommended, we'll clean the machine before using it for the first time. First, make sure the drain cap is securely in place at the bottom of the unit. Plug in the machine, the ring indicator will turn red. Remove the ice basket. Fill the main water reservoir with water up to the maximum fill line. Replace the ice basket and top cover. Press and hold the ice/clean button for 5 seconds. The ring indicator will flash white, and the cleaning cycle will begin. It runs for about 15 minutes and will stop automatically. If you need to stop the cleaning at any point, simply press the ice/clean button again. Once the cycle is finished, remove the ice basket and top cover. Take off the drain cap at the bottom to release the water. Rinse both the main and secondary water reservoirs thoroughly. Then drain out all the dirty water. When done, securely reinsert the drain cap. Making ice. Now, let's make some ice cubes. Make sure the drain cap is securely inserted. Fill both the main and secondary water reservoirs up to the maximum fill line. Put the ice basket back into place. Then close the top cover. Press the ice/clean button once. The ring indicator will turn white, and the machine will begin making ice. During operation, if the add water light comes on, the machine will stop until you refill the reservoir. After adding water, restart the unit. When the basket is full of ice, the machine will automatically stop. The ice full light will turn on, and the ring indicator will remain white. Once some ice is removed, the unit will automatically start again. Wrap up. And there you have it. Soft, chewable nugget ice. Ready to enjoy. Let's scoop some into our water bottles and cool down with perfectly crunchy ice.